Hey everyone, if you're just getting into coding and you've heard about React.js hooks, but you're not sure where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered. So, let's break it down. Hooks are a way to use React features without writing a class. They let you manage things like state and side effects in functional components, which is just a fancy way of saying regular functions. The most important hook, useState. This lets your components remember stuff, like what a user typed into a form. Here's how it looks. You write const count set count =useState 0. That just means we have a variable called count that starts at 0, and a function set count to change it. If you want to show a button that counts how many times it's clicked, you'd add an onClick handler. onClick set count, count, +1. Super simple. Every time you click, set count updates the count, and React updates what you see on the page. Now what if you want to do something whenever the count changes? That's where useEffect comes in. UseEffect lets you run code after your component updates. Think of it like telling React, hey, every time this value changes, do this thing. For example, you can log a message each time the count updates by writing useEffect console log count changed, count. You can use multiple hooks in one component, so don't be shy about mixing useState and useEffect. And just so you know, hooks always start with use. That's a React rule. Here's a quick tip. Always call hooks at the top level of your component, not inside loops or conditions. That way, React knows exactly how many hooks to track every time your component runs. Hooks make your code cleaner, easier to read, and less cluttered. No more confusing classes or lifecycle methods, just functions that are easy to understand. So to recap, useState keeps track of values, useEffect handles side effects, and both make your React code way simpler. If you're just starting out, try building a simple counter app with these two hooks. Play around, break things, and see what happens. That's the best way to learn. Alright, that's it for my crash course on React hooks. If this helped, leave a comment or hit that like button. I've got plenty more beginner-friendly tutorials on the way, so don't forget to subscribe. Happy coding!